Alright guys, you already know who's sliding back over here again. It's your boy John Wick at Wix Flicks. If you're new here, make sure you check out some of the other videos I've done. I try to keep a short little quick review, sneaker unboxing, and bam, today we got that black and yellow vibes. One time for the simplistic, beautiful box where they literally just took the orange red and exchanged it for that golden yellow. Beautiful. Alright, so this right now, in my personal humble opinion, is some sneakers that are going really underrated at the moment. I took an L on sneakers, just like I'm used to by now, but luckily these are not having so much resale value, so you already know. Bam, bam, bam. Now these joints, I really don't understand why they don't have like that usual Air Jordan 1 resale value. I don't know how GR they were, but the materials, and I know maybe you guys seen some other people talk about this, but the materials really don't feel like a GR. Like this is a buttery leather. Like the toe box, buttery. Side panels, buttery. Even the yellow stiffer leather, it's still kind of soft, you know. Top of the thing, squishy, buttery, you know. That's a clean colorway. If y'all don't know, I believe the other black and yellow ones would be the new loves that my brother has actually, and I've always liked those. But these are the high OG ones, and those I believe were mints. Anyway, they're both dope pairs, but this is definitely like the, you can never go wrong with this black and yellow and a little bit touches of white throughout the shoe. Again, I believe Jordan 1s nowadays are 175, 180 retail, or 170 retail. I thought it was 175. Well, either way, I got these on StockX. You can see the little StockX thing. I did put a bid on them for $220. So from 170 to 220 for Jordan 1, that's not a bad freaking deal at all. And I really wanted this one. I saw them throughout the year. I saw early leaks about them, and I was like, I'm getting these shoes even if I have to pay resale. So that's what I end up doing, because you know that's how it is. Yeah. Alright, so you do get your extra laces. Two options actually, black and white. My opinion, they're all decent, or they're all good, but the most decent one is white. That's like my last option. I like the yellow that comes with on that pollen golden yellow, but I think most likely I would put the black ones just to keep this whole part black, and then believe it or not, that would make the yellow panels more pop, because they would be the only yellow parts on the upper, and the laces would kind of like make it opposite. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what I'm about to do for the on foot review. Let me know if you got a dub with this, if you had to pay resale. I mean, if you had to pay resale, that's kind of a dub still, because for Jordan 1 they're usually like 300 something. These right now are like on the low 200s. I believe you can still get them for the low 200s. So get them while they're still more reasonable to purchase. And I do kind of have a feeling this would crease a bit easy because the buttery toe box, like I mentioned. Look guys. Alright, so just to give you guys a better look, this is buttery, right? So my prediction is crease, bro. Crease hella easy, or it might actually be more crease resistant since it's kind of flexible. Either way, again, look at this. materials are dope. The tongue, the nylon tongue, kind of has some padding into it. Not a lot, not a lot. I've seen some Jordan ones have more padding, but these ones are not bad. And again, I just love the colorway. I had to get it for the colorway. Again, get these ones. Don't sleep on them before they go up in price, because I feel like they definitely will. At least to like high 200s, like 270 or something like that. So get yours while you still can, you know. That being said, I'm about to, put the laces on this and give you guys an on-foot review.